Hello to everyone! I'm Violetta and Russian for Foreigners today. Today I'm gonna speak about the verb to go, and we'll see how this word will be changed at the end. So it's a bit tricky one, so I want you to check it with me. So let's go to the word. It's a present tense today, to be not messy and to not mix up all of stuff in your head. Next time we'll speak about maybe future tense or past, we'll see, but today you should start from present tense. So I didn't put here like English version, like yeah, it means I. So okay, we'll pronounce it maybe better. For you, more important to know how it's in Russian. So we'll see. What I wanna say is so important. The word go by food or to work. It's a infinitive in Russian ходить. So, but it's not the end of this information. Why? Because we have infinitive ходить, multidirectional word, and unidirectional. Also, we have a different version of verb, let's say. So, unidirection can be идти и пойти. Идти и пойти. Идти and пойти. What is the difference? So when you are using ходить, of course this word will be changed when you are using я, ты, он, она, они, оно. So, but this word we're using when I'm going in different direction. Like now, I can use ходить. Ходить, it means I'm working around, going in different ways, you know. Я хожу. So, я хожу. It means go and back. It means я хожу. In English, it's the same word if I go in one direction or go in another also. Going back, it means я хожу. It means we should use the verb ходить. But if I'm going somewhere in one direction, I should use идти or пойти. So I'm going to buy something. Я иду. I should use идти, but when I'm talking about myself, remember the verb should be changed here. At the end, I mean. So иду. You understand? Didn't mix up anything? So we have two ways. Ходить, it means going back and going around, and go somewhere in one direction, in one way. Идти or пойти. So, today we'll speak about the verb идти, and let's see how this word will be changed. So, it means when I'm going somewhere, like I'm going to school, I'm going to you, I am going somewhere, я, me, I am going to use идти. Я иду. In one direction, go. Without come back, you know. Иду. So, let's check this word идти. Идти. Okay. Я иду. Я иду. It means I'm going somewhere. Я иду to somewhere. I don't know where I'm going to go. So я иду. U at the end. And here, my favorite for you guys, it's transcription. When you can't read, you can see here how it's pronounced. Иду. Иду. So, я иду. Ты идешь. Идешь. Here, yo. Do you remember? We have two different but look like the same letters. Yeah. This one, yeah. And the yo. Yo. But sometimes we are not using these two dots because Russian can understand that here, of course, not yeah, not идешь, but идешь. And if I didn't put these two dots, it's not a mistake, you know. Sometimes we are not using, especially when we are typing at the phone, messaging you, it's the same. We never use your. Okay, ты, it means you, идешь. 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 Она means she, on, he, or it. Can be here, it also. Oh my god, why I forgot to put it here. It's like оно, like that. It's it. Идет. Йод at the end. Она идет. Он идет. Оно идет. Like оно we are using when we are talking about time. Oh, time so running, like, you know. Like time for us it's оно. Time, оно. So оно идет. Время, it means time, идет. Non-stop, never stop. And thank God it's not stop, it means you're in life. So, он, она, оно идет. Мы, it means we are. Идем. Идем. Here again, your, but I didn't put two dots. Okay, you should be as Russian, can understand me, that it's your. Идем. Мы идем. Вы, it means you, but remember we have вы is a plural and personal but formal. Remember, вы. Вы here with a small, not capital letter at the from the first. It's if it's capital letter, it means it's formal. If not capital, it means we are talking about a lot of group of people. So, вы, it means you. Идете, it doesn't matter if I'm talking about you as a person with my respect to you or to group of people. I'm saying идете. Вы идете. Вы идете. So, идете. Again, here your. Again, I forgot to put these dots. I tried to explain you that it's not so big mistake for Russian because we are not using these dots, you know. Because just understand that it's your. Идете. Они, they are. Идут. Ut, it's the end. Они идут. They're going. Они идут. Они идут. And here you can see also идут, идете, идем, идет, идешь, иду. You see? So, again, let's check it again. Я иду, ты идешь. Let's again show like this. Она идет, он идет, оно идет, оно like time, время. Мы идем, вы идете, and они идут. Они идут. Они идут. So, but don't be confused from these three words. Just now, at this time, you should know that it's the same word, but two different. Like when you're going in one direction, it's идти. Я иду, ты идешь, он идет, они идут, мы идем. But when you are going around, going here and come back, it means I'm хожу. I go around, you know. Хожу, ходить. So, next lesson, I want you to understand how this word will be changed. Also, because here also we have the same rule, we are changing this and also here. But now, at this moment, you should know that the word идти, okay, here, идти, you are using when you are going somewhere in one direction. So I think it's done for today, and if you like this video, subscribe my channel and put likes under.